everyone, it's me again, Jessica. I hope you can see me. I'm doing another mukbang. The only thing I'm eating tonight is a pot pie. Didn't really feel like cooking. My husband just wanted lasagna, so I made him lasagna, and I felt like eating a pot pie. And, well, this is what it looks like. I put salt and pepper on top of it. And, oh, some of these. These are so awesome. Yes, I mean, oh, I hate my arms. You wouldn't believe how awesome they are. I mean, they're like, wow. Anyways. So anyways, guys, so yeah, I'm gonna eat these. Oh, I love the lime taste in them. And the chile isn't that bad. I mean, just like perfect. The chile is perfect in it. And what I usually do, like if I'm cooking, I'll cook me something. You'll see that steam coming off of it? Check that shit out, that crap out. I love pot pies. Turkey pot pies. They're the only kind I'll eat. I won't eat no chicken. I won't eat the beef. I won't eat no other kind. Just turkey. Turkey's my favorite. One more thing. See my little spoon? See how it looks? I love these spoons. I had to go buy me some. I got the small size, and then I got like a little bigger size. But I love these spoons. I don't know what it is about them, but they're so cute. Anyways, I always make 2 of these pot pies, and I'll make one for me. And usually I'll make one for my kids, my dogs. We both eat, you know. I'll eat some, they eat some. But I share with everybody. So I try to, I recorded a video last night. And I had everything going. Everything was set up. It was good to go. And I accidentally deleted it. Why? I don't know what happened. I just deleted. I was like, what the hellio? And yeah, so I wasn't able to post it. And it was awesome. I mean, that video, it had 2 cute stories in it that I was talking about my childhood. And I deleted it. Oh. But I guess, I mean, I could do it again. The food was awesome last night. What did I make last night? I made some French fries out of potatoes. Don't you dare. Anyways, got me some Coke and with a lot of ice. I have to have a lot of ice. I don't know what it is about me and ice. I have to have ice. It's just the fact of having the ice in there. This morning, my husband had to go to work too. And we took off about maybe like 6:45 or something. Take off. We have to go through another town before we get to our work. And guess what? Everybody stopped. No traffic is moving from us to the other side, from the other side to the other side. Nobody was moving. Traffic was at a standstill. Didn't know why. Sitting in the car, my husband's like, what the hell? You know, we got to get to work. And I was like, yeah, I know, we got to get to work. Stop it! And he's calling work, and I texted my boss, and I'm like, hey, we're stuck in traffic. We don't know if it's an accident. We don't know what's going on, but we'll be there as soon as we can. She's like, okay, thank you. And sat there a little longer, and I put my hand on my head like this on that middle console. I crashed out. All I can hear is my husband say, must be nice to fall asleep. I'm like, it sure is. I was laughing so bad at him. But he knows whenever he's with me, or we have to drive together to work, he knows he has to. He's the one that has to drive all the time. I can't drive. I don't like to drive. So, anyways, so yeah, waited in line, an hour and a half for us. Two hours for some other people. I tell you, from that town to where I live, it's maybe about 10 minutes tops, or 10 miles, something like that. You know, in between there, about 5 to 10 miles. Well, traffic was backed up all the way to maybe half of the town that I live in. So traffic was stopped at a standstill from in town where I live. About 10 miles of people waiting to get to work. Yeah. I told my husband, I'm like, shit, just turn around, let's go home. We don't have to go to work. It's a sign, babe. He's like, yeah, all right. He's a supervisor, so he can't just turn around, go home, and be like, oh, okay, yeah, I can just do that. He can't. I can't do that. I don't have no more time left that I can just take off. Anyways, falling asleep in the car for that little bit took a toll on me. I shouldn't have done that. Sorry guys, the chips are making my nose run. Anyways, I shouldn't have fell asleep. I felt like crap afterwards. I felt like I just wanted to go back to sleep. I felt sick. Anyways, we got to the light there in that town, and we finally could see what was going on. And well, there's a plant before you get to our plant where we work at. Well, they had this big old silo or something. I mean, that thing took up a whole street. I mean, no cars could go back and forth. Nugget, that it took up the whole street. And they had, sorry, my bad. They had the police out there. They had the light people out there. They had the cable people out there. I guess so they won't mess up the lines. They had, excuse me, highway patrol out there. I mean, they had everybody. They had record cars out there. It was crazy. And we were turning at the light, and me and my husband were talking, and we were like, why don't they do that whenever they know that people aren't in a hurry to get to work? They should do it whenever everybody's at work, and the people that are like going by are just like la da da. I'm just driving around, cruising around, whatever. That's when they should do it, not whenever everybody's in a hurry to get to work. And they have to have everybody at a standstill. I hate when that happens. So I had to stay late at work today just because of that. And which I don't mind. I don't mind making up my hours. As long as I don't get overtime and people start complaining about it. Which is stupid. But anyways. So yeah, it was just a hectic morning. We have a cafeteria at our job. My husband's like, you want to get off? You want something to eat or something? I'm like, He's like, well, just stay in the car if you don't want nothing. And I was like, no, I'll get off, just in case. Just in case with me is, of course, I'm going to get something. You know that. Oh, crap. I left my drink in the freezer at work. Crap. Anyways, he was getting his taco, and I was getting a drink. And he's like, you don't want a taco? Or a pig in a blanket or something. And I'm like, hold up, pigs in the blanket were maybe about that big. Yeah, about that big. I told the lady, how much is it for the pig in the blanket? She's like, $1. For 2 of them? Is it 2 for $1, 50 cents a piece? She's like, no, it's $1 for one. I said, what? I said, how much is the plain biscuit? 75 cents. 75 cents. You got me messed up. I was like, you're crazy. My husband's like, just get the biscuit, just get the biscuit. Sorry, guys. Sheila having my nose running. Anyways, yeah, he's like, just get the biscuit, just get the biscuit. He goes, I'm gonna pay for it anyways, just get it. And I'm like, fine, okay, I'll get it. So I get the biscuit. And I put a little bit of jelly in it. I don't put nothing else in it. Put a little bit of jelly in it. Grab it. 75 cents. We take off. He pays, we take off. Going to my job. And get off. Go inside in my office, and I'm sitting there, and I was fixing to take a bite out of it, and I looked at it. I was like, it looks a little weird. And we're not like gross or anything. Like we're like it looked kind of hard. Like when you look at it, you could tell it looked hard. I don't know. I was like, God, I don't want it if it's hard. So I pulled off a piece of it and I ate it. That thing was like, no, it wasn't even edible. I couldn't even eat it. I couldn't even. It was a no for that. Excuse me. But yeah, I won't buy a biscuit from them ever again. If I want a biscuit, I'm gonna go to McDonald's or Whataburger with somebody that makes biscuits and that's worth it. The biscuits that they have, excuse me, are the ones that they get like a HEB or like a grocery store that you take off the paper and then you pop it open and then you just put them on the pan. That's the kind of biscuits they had for 75 cents. I was like, shit, I'm gonna go buy one, pop it open, bake it, and go sell them on the side. Say, hey, 50 cents for a biscuit with a sausage or bacon in it. Shit, I at least give them bacon or sausage for free. It was just funny, you know. But I didn't really eat anything all day. My head was hurting. My tooth was hurting. I felt nauseated all day. I don't know why. They were telling me that supposedly tomorrow is supposed to get cold. And I'm sitting there like, no! And the only reason why I said that is because all day today inside the office, they had that AC like at 68. Maybe lower. Because that place, it was freaking freezing in there. I had the freaking heater on. I was like, oh, no, ma'am. I can't do this. They were all laughing at me because I had the heater on. I was like, dude, I'm freezing. But I don't know if it's because I felt sick. Or if, you know, or it was just normal. Like, I'm usually, you know, I'm usually cold. But I tolerated it. And just all day long, I felt like wanting to go to sleep because of this morning. And I was just sitting there. But last night, I couldn't sleep. I couldn't go to sleep. We watched that movie, Jeepers Creepers Part 3. I told my husband, is this a movie? And he's like, why? I was like, because there are some dumb ass parts in here. Because y'all need to watch it because y'all would probably agree with me because it was kind of like a stupid, stupid show. I don't know. There's just certain parts. I'm sorry. You'll be sitting there and you'll be like, are you serious? They just did that. Are you serious? That just happened? It was just hilarious. Anyways, yeah. Today was not my day. I didn't talk to nobody. I kept quiet all day. So, so yeah, it's crazy. My husband's at work still. I got off before him. Well, we don't have the same schedule and same times to get out. So he has to ride a bus to get home, and I drive the car home. But I had to come home early because I don't know where he was driving when he got to work, because he got a nail in the freaking tire, a screw or something. Made me mad. Because $10 to put a plug in the tire. Really? If I knew how to do it, I would have done it. It's just crazy. $10 freaking dollars for a plug in your tire. When people down the road are making some money off of you to do that to your tire. That's crazy. They want to charge me $100 or something like that for 4 brand new tires. So that's no. I take that back. I think he said like 200 for tires. And they're like those cheapy tires where I can go to Walmart and get them for like $38. I mean, everybody needs to make money. And I guess there's certain people that will give in and let them put on a tire for you and pay that amount of money. But, maybe it depends on the day. If they're being nice or not. So, yeah. I have to go feed my cat for a little bit. I hear him in the background scratching at the door, trying to get my attention. I can hear them rolling around their little bowl. Like, hello, I'm hungry. Come and give us some food, lady. That's the way they sound. But they'll get their food. I have to go out there and clean their litter box. I always tell my husband, once you name them, they're not going nowhere. And what does he do? He names 2 of them. Really, babe? Naming them? You're not supposed to name them. That's the #1 rule. Don't name them. Because then you get attached and then you want to keep them. But the one white one is real pretty. I really do like the white one. And Thanksgiving's coming up next week. And it don't even feel like it. I mean, it don't even feel like it's the holidays. It just feels like another day. You know what I mean? Like, it just feels like a whole nother day. We're just going to take off 2 days out of the month. And yeah, it's Thanksgiving. But it don't feel like it. It doesn't have that spirit anymore. Like, the holidays are here. Ooh, I'm gonna be hurting a little while with these. They're called puffed puffed wheat snacks. But they're good. Don't knock it till you try it. And I think y'all should try it. They're really good. By the time you know it. Oh, you know what? Tomorrow's my dad's birthday. I'm gonna have to call him and wish him happy birthday. I haven't talked to him in a while. I need to talk to him. I love the Texans. I love them. My husband bought me this shirt. And he's like, what size do you wear? I was like, well, women's small or medium, depending on the shirt. Okay. He goes, well, I found this shirt and it says extra large on it. Do you think that it will fit you? And I looked at it and looked at the tag and I was like, well, where'd you get it from? And he was like, right here. And I was like, that's a little boy's clothes. And he's like, well, it looks big enough for you to wear. And I'm like, okay, well, what do you think? Should I get it? Excuse me. And he's like, well, I'm going to buy it for you. Do you want it? And I'm like, yeah, sure. Why not? I mean, it don't fit tight. It fits just right. I mean, I like it. It was like, I got all excited because he actually bought me something with Texans because he's a Titans fan. Sorry, guys. I will put it in the description box. A lot of burping. I think all my videos are going to have burping in it. So, yeah. I didn't get me a little microphone so y'all can hear my burps better. So they can be louder. And I could do those AMSR, or how do you say them? AMSRs? Stop it. Yeah, I could do them. Ooh, I could do it with my burping. Hold on, mommy. So, yeah. I'm already done eating. I ate all my food. A little full. You can't eat these, G. I'll show you my baby. Oh, watch it, baby. Look at this handsome. Stop it! Look at this handsome dude. Stop it. Don't look. Look right there. Say hi. Who's that? Who's that right there? Is that you? Oh my goodness. Stop it. That is Gandalf. This is Gandalf. Double G or G. Sorry, my nose is still running. This is one little dude. Come here, Punk. And here's my baby. No. No. This is my little baby. Say hi, Mama. Look. Look. Kendall. Say hi. Look. Oh, so beautiful. Say hi, baby girl. Why are you crying? Why are you crying? You want Papa? Okay, okay. You have to sit down, though. Good girl. Oh, no, you can't have the chips. They'll burn your booty. Say hi, Mama. Not to me, to them. Okay, let's go. You ready? Alright guys, I'm already done eating. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thumbs it up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and leave a comment. Let me know what your thoughts are, what y'all thinking. What I should eat, what I should do next. Any challenges or anything. I can't really eat nothing too hot, but I can try. It don't hurt to try. But yeah. Well, y'all have a good night. Good morning, Nugget. Good evening. Good day. Whichever, whenever you're going to watch this, whatever you're having at that moment, you have an awesome one. And yeah, I'll see you on my next video. So yeah, I guess I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.